If you guys are on my website, just to let you guys know, I do have a new workshop coming up October 20th. If you guys want to participate, it's on the main page. You just come over here to Medical Coding by Jen, click on the book now, and click the 20th, then click the 2 p.m., and then the word next, and you can be put in for the workshop. We're going to do 75 questions that are brand new, and the point of it is to pretend like you're actually taking your medical coding certification exam. You're going to be hit instantly with 75 questions you've never seen before, and you need to find the answers in 2 minutes per question. So that's what the point of the workshop is. And even if you can't attend, the replay of the video is the same link to get into it that day, and all you do is click on the link and you can go back and watch it for 90 days.